These 6.5 foot 4x4s are the corner posts for the power rack. Since we don't have a 1.5 inch spade bit available, we're using a 1.5 inch hole saw to start the hole. However, the hole saw isn't long enough to go all the way through the post, so once it bottoms out, we'll switch it for a 1 inch spade bit. Now we'll get a flathead screwdriver and break this extra wood out. So now, the hole saw fits back in there. Okay, so now I did it on both sides. And then you just clean it out. Good. And I'll pop this guy out. There you go. And that's the right size. With the 4 holes drilled in each piece and 2 holes for the pull-up bar, we'll start assembling the power rack now. We also have 6 2x4s cut to 28.5 inches and 12 2x4s mitered at 10 inches from the inside for supports, which are not shown here. Since we're using 4-inch screws to secure the 2x4s to the posts, we need to widen the pilot hole, which is what the larger drill bit is for. We put a little piece of duct tape on the drill bit to act as a 2-inch depth guide. This is the completed power rack. These are the safety bars for doing power squats. The 3-foot lengths of 1-inch galvanized pipe with 1 end cap. The pull-up bar is also a 3-foot long piece of 1-inch galvanized pipe, but with 2 end caps. The 2 hooks are made of a 6-inch length of galvanized pipe, a street elbow, 2 end caps, and duct tape for a tighter fit. To adjust the position, you unscrew the back end cap and pull out the hook, then place it in a different hole. To adjust the safety bars, just slide them out and stick them in different holes. The middle support can also be used as a pull-up bar. The safety bars double as parallel bars.